So when I bring her butt to my shoulder, look at my elbow here, how it's planted on the floor. Try to bring your butt to the floor. You see how she cannot bring her butt to the floor? Because of this grip, I have complete control of her hip from dropping to the floor. You see? If I didn't have this, she could fall down. You see? So when I lift her up, I have my elbow under her body like this. Now fall. You see? And I'm keeping my legs beating here. So this is, you see how I post my palm? If you could change angles, please. So, yeah, let's just move this way so they can see this. I put my palm on her hip, so try to, it's like fall a little pressure down. Yeah. So there's zero pressure on my arm right now. Fall down like here. Yeah. There's zero pressure, and I have my palm placed like this, like I'm holding a tape, like I'm just holding a table. All the weight's on my palm, not my fingers, on my palm. There's zero pressure. There's zero pressure hurting my hand when I put the weight on my palm. You see? So my elbow's under. I'm beating my legs. I'm pulling her forward, and I'm on my palm like this. And this leg is just here. I just want you guys to place her hip on my shoulder like this, and I'm using again here. I lift the leg up. I beat down my legs like the same drill. I get here. My palm on her back. My hand is like this. I cup her thigh. I put my knee just right here. And now I'm gonna end here. 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 And now notice this. When I'm holding my arm here, what I'm going to do is, as I lift up, I'm gonna bring her knee here as well as I'm lifting. So I flex my feet, I lift up, and I bring her knee up like this. Why am I doing this? The reason I'm doing this is, whenever I lift this leg up, notice how her hip comes up more. Notice how her weight goes up more. All her weight is now going to this arm, more and more and more. You see? So I'm just slowly putting her weight up like this and moving her body down me. Okay, so right now I'm cupping the right below her knee, right on her thigh like this. I'm not going this low because if I go this low, I'm not really controlling her leg well. And I need, what I'm eventually going to need to do is I'm going to need to replace my hand with my knee. So I'm going to grab where I want to place my knee. That's going to be exactly what I'm thinking about. When I grab this leg, with this arm, I'm thinking, okay, where am I going to place my knee when I finish the back? I'm going to place my knee right here. So I'm going to put my hand where I'm going to put my knee. Here. And now I can place my knee like this. Whenever, this is going to be a rule that you're going to learn. Whenever I'm controlling the near hip, my whole goal is double hips. Because now I have control of her, the center of her spine, and I can bring her body up. Okay? It's going to vary when I have the middle and far hip, but right now with the near hip, our goal is always double hips. I'm going to cup her hip. I'm going to pull her up. Try to fall right now.
Yeah, I can't.
There's zero way that she could fall. I'm going to lift her hip up. I'm going to bring my shin right behind the leg like it was. First, it's going to start on my knee. It's going to slide down like this. So I cup, I slide my knee down, my hook down. Now I'm hooking like a De La Hiva on her knee. So first, I cup, I put my knee here, I slide it down to a De La Hiva. So now I can use my hip on her hip as well. Closing my knee on her hip, I cup her hip. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring her hip down, and I'm going to connect my hips to her hips. Here. Now I can stretch, and notice my head's above her head. Just like I said, to take the back. Always seatbelt.